Welcome back. Well, I restarted everything, refreshed everything. Let's hope we will not get the same now. So let me get the music on. Welcome Retail Fam, MW, Game Trading Crypto. Welcome everyone. Let me hit some music, that way I can check if we're all right to run it. Okay, we're back in business. What do we got? I'm sorry, guys. Technical. I can help it. Good morning, just about finished breakfast. Well, I was laughing. They told me still dark. So yeah, I explained. I have to do early one because I've got like a million things to do, and I'll be also very, very busy coming days, weeks. So that's why I decided to, because I just need to do this stream before market opens in the weekend. There's a lot is going on. So good morning, gracias. And Egnadia, Diana, Elena, Zupak, Michelle, Okuba, Maddie, Egon, Carla, Ralph, what do I got? Capian, Dwab, Ernst, Demora, Bob, D-Blue, Floriano, Biggie, Top Dog, Muhammad Ali, Red Pop, John, the Roygu, Amiro, Rolla, Lamia, Octopop, Biggie, Rigu, gracias, Maddie, Amiros, Gabians. Okay, bro, love music. Oh, music. Yeah, music. Okay, music. Okay, well, I was just calling your names. I was telling you good morning. So, okay, so now let's start. Check. Everything. Check. Music is off. You guys can hear me to check. Okay, first of all, guys, we got Bitcoin. Bitcoin is ramping up. I showed you guys this one. I think, what was it? Was it this one? Yes, on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, this was the break up over here. Up, back, retested the indicator, up, and off she went. And then we had yesterday this drop down to the indicator again on the 4 hour, and there it is. There we're going again. So what is the next level of resistance? Let me show you guys the next one. Over here, it's this one, but let me show you guys this chart so you can see it better without all the push like this one. This is now this over here. You see, because we've got a cross from over here, it goes down, up, and it goes from here up. So this zone here is where you have, I told you guys in the past days. So 69k, this is the level to watch, guys. So if we reach over here, be very careful. Be very, very careful. So I don't want to spend too much time about this. So if we're gonna break above this, by the way, guys, you can see some FOMO hitting, and we could go up very hard. But if we get rejected, be very careful. Just don't go FOMO into anything. So that's about that. Let me show you guys. We had also dominance. Dominance is showing some finally coming down a little bit. So some altcoins might shine now if this thing goes down. Let me go to the PEX-G. We're just over here. The support levels could even go a bit lower, but we're still over here. So total 3, also very important, guys. We didn't break out. If you want altcoins to start flying, especially the meme coins, you need this thing to break out, boom, and off she went. If we get rejected and come down to these zones, bloody. So we are at this moment, this is where you have to make a decision. It's very hard. Because why? We are at the edge of everything. On total 3, we're about to break out. On Bitcoin, we're reaching the real resistance zone over 69. On the USDT dominance, we are at support over here. And you know what I told you guys about support. So we're back in support. So we're at support. So if you would just, let me just talk clear language over here. If you would just be a bot, so no emotions, no hopiums, no FOMO, nothing. So just a pure bot. Now is the time to be very cautious. That's it. Until your alarms go off over here, for example, or your alarms go off over here, for example. But as long as those alarms did not hit, you have to be cautious. You have to be bearish. That's just what it is, because we are at very strong resistance. We had this move up. Great. Thank you, Bitcoin. Thank you, US 500 also. Thank you very much. Thank you for all that you're doing for us over here, pumping the crap out of everything. Well, this is just the biggest bubble that we are in, and well, we could be very happy that we are witnessing this biggest bubble of all time. We can tell, if we live long enough, we can tell our grandchildren, listen, we were there when the biggest bubble of all time happened. We were there with a crazy freak like MW. He was showing us we were there when the biggest bubble was happening. So for now, guys, if this thing starts ramping up, making a new high again today, it's possible, because you know these freaks over there at Wall Street, especially, guys, let me tell you, it doesn't have to happen always, but let me just say Fridays are bullish days. You know, remember what I told you? Friday, Monday are Wall Street bullish days. Those are the most bullish days for Wall Street, are at Friday and Monday, these 2 days. So today, it's Friday, I think. Yes, I think it's Friday, yes. So it's Friday today. So Fridays, you have to be very, you know, even if we're at resistance, these bulls, they're holding this at the 4 hour very, very strong, just like you're seeing on Bitcoin. What a surprise. What a surprise. So if you like you're seeing over here on Bitcoin on the 4 hour, you see this 4 hour hold, boom, 4 hour hold, boom. It's just a copy of this, a 4 hour boom, 4 hour boom, 4 hour boom. So it's, you know, it's no science. It's no science. It's not as if Bitcoin out of the sudden became very bullish and the bulls of Bitcoin is going to $1 million or whatever. No. Definitely not. I know that that's what you're reading on Twitter. I know that they're showing you that on YouTube, but that's just a lot of crap. You know, when Bitcoin is strong, we're going to the moon. When this thing dumps down and Bitcoin goes up, that's when you can tell me that we are bullish and we're going to make a lot of money longing, buying, whatever crypto out there. But as long as this chart is just a copy of this chart, it's just Wall Street doing its thing over here. Wall Street is pushing the price up while they're pushing their stocks up. It's just, you have to see it like this. There's a very big group of manipulators that are pushing this price up more and more and more. And then there is a small group that is also interested in crypto and Bitcoin. What they do is when they ramp it up, they ramp this up. It's just how it is. It's just how it works. It's just how markets work. So let's see if we're gonna get another green. We're gonna get another green day on Wall Street, and if that happens, well, that's when our top meme coins and altcoins will probably make really, really big moves up, especially if dominance starts dropping. So keep an eye on this one. As you guys can see, it's ramping up. And over here, let me show you guys the DXY. DXY is retracing, had a really big run up. So it's retracing a bit, and well, it's mind-blowing how the markets keep going up. So let me show you guys another one, very important also. The VIX. The VIX is also, guys, because maybe some options will expire today. I didn't check it, but you know, Fridays are really dangerous days to trade. You know, crypto is the best to trade when you wait until the market closed tonight, and then we see what they did, and that's when we'll head into crypto and you start trading. Okay, enough about the markets, guys. So let me just get into it right away. So first of all, I'm going to show you guys the top 10 meme coins on volume. And it's mind-blowing because when I open up my list of volume coins and then I see meme coin, 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 meme coin. Meme coins are taking over. Meme coins are taking over, and it's not only on the BS that you're seeing on Twitter, it's also in volume. In volume, it's mind-blowing that these coins are just in the top 20, top 30. You got like 12 meme coins. What the crap is going on? Meme coins. Well, first of all, Doge is finding some momentum. I don't know why. I really have no clue why Doge is finding momentum. But why am I showing you guys this top 10 coins on volume? Why? Because this list, the list of this list of this like Retardio, whatever, this list of this Murad guy or whatever, that is wrong. The syndicate, I call it the syndicate. So you guys need to know syndicate. When I say syndicate, it's this Murad guy with his buddies and the investors, and they just pump and dump this coin like they want. So, but these coins, most of these coins, you cannot trade them. Because why? They're still not on exchanges. You cannot trade them on leverage. You cannot short them. So you have to be very careful. So why? That's why I'm going to show you guys the altcoins on highest volumes, because these altcoins that I'm showing you now are on much higher volume than those syndicate coins. And this is when you can make the most money. This is how you can make the most money. Because why? You can trade these on Blofin. You can trade them on BITUNIX. You can play you can trade them on Weex. They're all available over there. The coins, the top 10 coins that I'm showing you, and these are, by the way, also what I'm showing you, the highest volume on meme coins are on the next coins that I'm going to show you. So there ain't no high volume on other coins. These are the highest volume. So this is also how you can make the most money. So first of all, what I would do is, first of all, I'm just doing this live with you guys. So first of all, what I'm seeing is this. I'm seeing a sort of this like Doge. I'm just giving you guys an example. Okay, Doge, nice. Boom, 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 boom. Maybe we get a boom over here. So how do you trade that? Put it on a 50-minute. Just put it on a 50-minute. What's it? Indicator. Oh, go, hold. So if we will reach, for example, this level over here, you think to yourself, well, maybe I should short it. But that's not how it works. That's not how it works. When it reaches over, you can short it on a small amount with a stop loss above it, no problem. But you could also do is put on a 5 minutes. So suppose that this thing will reach over here. This indicator on a 5 minute will also be over here. When it gets invalidated, that's when you might hit a short and start chasing it down. So that's about Doge. And maybe you want to long it. Maybe just put in the indicator and just long the crap out of it if it breaks out. So this is about Doge. Let me go to the next one because there are a lot of coins that I want to talk about. So this is, I just gave you guys an example on how you gotta trade and make some money on Doge, because this move on Doge is pretty big. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is a pretty big move on Doge, by the way. So I don't know what's going on with Doge. Is Elon Musk doing something again with this Doge thing? But keep in mind that this is resistance, guys. I think that the team will probably short this. I think they will. This is really resistance, guys. So let me put my alarm over here. I think that the team will short this. I think they will short this. So let me go to the next one. Pepe. Same story. Look over here. Daily. Boom. There's a lot of volume going on this coin, guys. There's really a lot of volume going on this coin. And you can make all those, you can make it like you want, you know. You can draw a line from here. You can make a line over here. Okay, this is this. You can do something like this from here. You can make this something like this. Oh yeah, okay, well, I found a pattern. You know, it's no science, you know. It's no science, you know. I know that a lot of TA guys on Twitter, they like to do like, listen, oh my God, it's in a triangle. It's in a bull flag, it's in a bear flag. It's just two freaking lines. That's all there is. So if you want a short Pepe, this could be something, but use the India on the lower time frame on the 5 minute, just like I showed you guys. So that's how you do that, just to stay safe, that you don't get wrecked. Over here, it's the same story. You got up, hold, indicator, up. So now we're waiting for the next move up over here on Pepe. Come on, Pepe. It's on very high volume. Let me go to the next one. Don't want to waste a lot of time. Next one. Whiff. Look at Whiff. Also beautiful. Look at this, guys. Up, above it, back, retested the 200 EMA and the indicator. Boom. Guys, all these moves that you're seeing over here, you could have made a lot of money on them. But you still can make a lot of money on them. Don't be worried, because the markets keep repeating itself every day, again and again. It's just like you wake up, you go drink coffee, you're going to let your dog out, and, you know, and it keeps repeating itself. It was just like that. There was a great movie that I saw. I really love that actor. What was that movie again? Nobody. Yes, it's called Nobody. The guy wakes up every day, the same routine over and over again. Nobody. Great movie, by the way. Nobody. If you didn't watch Nobody, go watch Nobody. It's that actor from Better Call Saul. I love that movie. So, by the way, guys, but you know, this is just boom, up, and now we're boom, up, and at some point there will go down. So, but this is also, guys, so if you want to make some money, this is also one of those coins. Whiff. You guys know that we shorted Whiff from here. We destroyed Whiff. We destroyed with from here to here. Just go check it. Just go to my Twitter. Just put in. I never remove a tweet. Just put in MWillKiller and then put in a hashtag with. Then you'll see we destroyed this coin. But let's see. It wants to bounce. Okay, well, fine. And then we got this one, Shiba Inu. Wow, Shiba Inu. Oh my God, Shiba Inu, yeah, what to say about Shiba Inu, yeah, well, trade the indicator for now above, it's just like Bitcoin, by the way, guys, we're just like Bitcoin, it's just ramping up over here, trade it on the 15-5 minute. This one, that freaking team, they made this trade. The team traded this. They didn't have the time to share it in their gain trading crypt group because I told them, why didn't you share this one in your group? They told us it was so fast we didn't have the time. Because why? Because this is something I see immediately. See this? You know, I saw it immediately because I was checking their P&Ls and I saw that they made some money on Mew, and then I thought, what did they do? And then I just, you know, I don't even have to put this line. When I look at this, when I just open this chart, it's what I see. Oh my God, resistance. Oh my God, dump down. They made like 200%, and maybe it was like, I don't know. I said, why did you share it in your group? Yeah, they told us we didn't have the time. It was going so fast. But look at this. But either way, we didn't reach. If it reaches over here, guys, suppose the Bitcoin will make a move up. If Mew will come back over here, this might be an entry for a short. But just keep in mind 5-minute indicator. So over here, if it breaks above it, be very careful. You can also chase it because this is the all-time high on Mew over here on this chart, on Qcoin. So it's also closer to the all-time high. So this is one of those coins, Mew, that you can make a lot of sick money on. It's just what it is. I suppose that we got a double top. Suppose that this will get rejected. This is a lot of money and there is huge volume. So there is a lot of money over here. There's a lot of money to be made over here. So keep an eye on you. Let me go to the next one. Well, I don't have to say a lot. The team, they just destroyed this turbo. They just destroyed it. They went in around over here, I think, and they destroyed this one. So this one is also on the way back, guys. So keep an eye on this one, this turbo thing. If it went to bounce up, maybe you can make a nice long, go on the 15-minute or whatever, put on that indicator over here. We're getting rejected from the 200 EMA. So this is no entry, but suppose that this thing will ramp up above it. You might make some money on the way up, but you can also make money on the way down. Well, I think that the team still has got their shorts open on turbo, by the way. They just don't care. They shorted it from here. They took some profits and they're just running this thing down until it dies, because they will all die at some point. They will all die. So boom, look at boom, guys. Look at this, boom. Book of meme. Look at this. What the crap is this? What the crap is this? Pump up and then down, totally wrecked. And now it's ramping up again. So keep an eye. But there is a lot of volume going on this BOOM coin. So keep an eye on it. We're getting rejected. Also, this one, guys, is just the same story. We hit it up, back, and now we're retesting. So follow it on the lower time frame. A lot of volume going on over here on BOOM. So look at this. We're now getting retested. So it might be an entry if it's gonna hold. So let's see Bonk. What is Bonk doing? Bonk, same story over here. Listen, guys, all the coins that I'm showing you now, there is a huge volume on them. Huge volume. A lot of volume. There is more volume on these coins than, for example, Flux, VeChain, Polkadot, etc., etc. It's mind-blowing. It's mind-blowing. It's sick. It's sad. It's pathetic. We crypto are lost because these, what to say, these Ponzi schemes, they have higher trading volumes on them than the solid technical coins. So it's very sad, but it's just what it is. So the best ways to trade them is trade this one that got a lot of volume on them. So this one went above, now it's trying to break out on the indicator. So keep an eye also on Bonky. Bonky. We're also, listen, on the 1 hour, look at this. On the 1 hour, boom, 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 hold. So it wants to maybe break out here. And if it doesn't break out, short the crap out of it, whatever it is. So Floki, also, guys, I'm showing you all these coins and you choose whatever you want. Floki, what? Flow key, well, what to say. A lot of volume going on, just keep an eye on it. Popcat, team also destroyed this one. Popcat, yeah, what to say. Popcat is trying to head into the double. You see this? Is this innocent? Is this a head and shoulder in the making? Is it, guys? Is this a head and shoulder in the making? I don't know. Maybe it is. And if it is, you're gonna make a lot of money. Yeah. Let me show you guys this way so you can see it better. Shoulder, head, another shoulder. Ta-da! I don't know, guys, but Popcat. You guys all know how I feel about Popcat. I know that crazy freak is telling you that Popcat is going to $5. Maybe it will. I don't care. No matter what it's gonna do, we gotta make a lot of money either way. But just trade it. Use the damn indie. Over here it is, guys. Over here. So as you guys can see, over here, we had this nice dump down, made a lot of money. As you guys could see, that's 700%. And then above it, boom, 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 boom. Maybe it wanna come down, retest this one again, and maybe make, because Popcat is looking good, by the way, guys. There's a lot of volume going on. And if Popcat will hold this line over here, will hold the 200 EMA and the indicator over here, you might see the next ramp up. Just keep that in mind, guys. So this is very important. This is very important, Popcat, because there's a lot of volume going on Popcat. So if Popcat will hold over here, this could be your entry. On the 4 hours, even more stronger. If it comes back to the 4 hour, this could be your entry. So if Bitcoin decides to hold the 69K and wants to chop around, so this could be your entry to make a move like this one. Keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. Just keep that in mind. Let me go to the next one. GOAT. This GOAT, you cannot trade this, but I just wanted to show you guys because there was a lot of volume going on this coin. I really don't know. You cannot trade this, I think, on Blofin, BITUNIX or Bybit or whatever. I don't know. This is just, but this is madness, this GOAT thing. Let me go to the next one. Sundark. Don't forget about Sundark. Sundark had some FOMO going on. That Justin was ramping it up. Keep an eye that when Justin thinks it's time to start shilling his coin again, this thing might, but because there's already a lot of volume going on over here. We hit this. This is the support zone over here, as you guys can see. Here. We're at these levels again. So Sundark could go and test this indicator. Only this test on this indicator is already an 80%. So keep an eye on this Sundark. There's a lot of, let me go to this one, meme. Oh, meme, okay, well, meme, whatever, Memecoin. Memecoin decided also a lot of volume going on over here. I really don't know why. Look at this move up. Find some support over here, and there it goes again. I don't know. Just check it. Just choose it. I'm showing you all where the volume is. This is where the money is flowing. This Kati. What is Kati? I really have no clue what Kati is. Katizen, Kati USDT, whatever. Is also finding over here this double. This is a dangerous one, by the way, guys. If this thing dumps down, it could dump very hard. By the way, guys, if you trade these meme coins, it's very important. You have to really always have a stop loss because you never know when they will dump it. So they can pump hard, but they can dump hard as well. So keep an eye on that one. So when you're longing, make sure always a stop loss. And when you have a stop loss, please make like 2, 3, 4 stop losses. Don't do just one, because if the dump is hard, they might miss it. So make a trading stop loss. So like 1, 2, 3 levels or 4 levels. So be very careful with that one. Let me go to this last one. This is the last. This is really the shillers, the influences, the big influences that we all know. The biggest influences in CT. That's the syndicate of this coin, because this syndicates, there's not only one syndicate, you've got like 3, 4, 5 syndicates working in crypto trying to wreck retailers. This is the one that's backed by the most famous influencers that you guys know. So the most famous ones, they are in this coin. They are in this coin. So they are this bread. So keep an eye on bread. If those shillers decide to use some of that retail blood money that they're making and want to pump it into bread, well, bread might do something great. So just keep that in mind. So over here, it's going up, so keep an eye. We're breaking out of this thing, so this is the resistance level, so keep an eye on. Also, a lot of volume going on over here. So let me go to the other coins, not the meme coins, the other coins that are showing some power and showing some volume on them. Guys, I'm going to talk about a lot of altcoins. I told you today it's all about altcoins. I'm going to show you where the money is flowing. So I will show you where the money is flowing, and you guys make the money. That's all I have to say. You've got like the whole weekend. So the money is flowing into the coins that I'm showing you now. IO is getting rejected over here. Not rejected, it's hitting into resistance. So this is as we speak now. If this thing breaks up, that's bullish. But if it doesn't, and you know what did I teach you guys? As long as we don't break up, you have to remain bearish. So this is now testing this line, testing this zone again. So yeah. Let me just say this would be a nice entry for a short over here. But keep in mind, you have to know what Bitcoin is doing also, because if Bitcoin decides to ramp up, this will probably not hold. So for the ones that have been watching my trading course with 2.0, they understand what I say now. But this is a perfect example of a very good short. This is the best example I can give you. So if you would watch Bitcoin and Bitcoin would retrace a little bit, this resistance zone will probably work out. So this is about the best short entries you can get. Although this thing is still at bottom formation, so it's not the best, but it's a good, suppose that this one was at much higher levels, this is your best entry. So I'm just telling you. I hope that you guys learned something. Okay, another coin that's really big volume, ZRO. What is going on with this layer 0? Layer 0 is showing, suddenly it's showing a lot of power, but you know, maybe you can see something like this. Maybe we're heading into some support over here. So like this. I don't know. You guys tell me. This thing already pumped a lot and dumped also over here a lot. So it's holding now this line. It needs to hold it. So keep an eye on that. I'm just saying that there's some volume going on over here, guys. There's volume. I'm just showing you the coins that you can trade. So these are the coins that you can make the most money on using the indicator. Because why? There's volume on them. So let me go to the next one. Big time. Big time. What is big time doing? I really have no clue. This is gaming, whatever. This thing is super wrecked. This thing is super wrecked. So these coins that are super wrecked, you need to use the Indie and look for those longs, guys. Look for those longs on these coins. Look at this. This is trying to break up over here, holding the indicator beautifully. Maybe it wants to break up. So keep an eye on big time. Big time. Use the Indie. Trade the crap out of it. W. What is W? Wormhole. I know that I warned you guys about W over here, but look where W is, guys. Look where it is. It's totally wrecked, super wrecked, just wrecked. Like always. So, but there is some volume on this coin, so just keep an eye on it. We closed below the Indie. This is, by the way, very bearish. So let me go to the next one. Saga. We traded Saga, made a lot of money on Saga. Saga is finding some nice momentum over here, guys. It already made a 3x. A 3x in 2 weeks. That's nice. Saga is showing some power. So a lot of volume going on Saga also. So trade it on the Indie. Maybe a nice short. This one, UMA is also showing a lot of. UMA is, by the way, very. Oh my God, guys, look at this. Guys, keep an eye on this UMA. And I mean on the long, because this is showing, look at this. Look at this, guys. This UMA, you know, this UMA can pump very hard. You know, you're seeing this. Could we see something like this? Is that possible? Something like this? I don't know. Use the Indie. Write it. Put on the 1 hour. Where are you, UMA? Over here is UMA. Let me remove this. What is this? UMA. Okay, UMA, you made a nice ramp up. Come back to the line over here, to the Indie. This might be a long entry, guys. I'm showing you guys what you could trade in the weekend or maybe in the afternoons, guys. I'm just showing you guys. I'm showing you guys the coins that are on volume. There's a lot of volume going on. So UMA, keep an eye on UMA. Let me put my alarm over here. Let me go to the next one. This Taiko coin. Taiko. Let me just say the team made a lot of money in this Taiko. Really crazy, sick money. This Taiko coin, they have been shorting this coin like crazy. I also share this, by the way, in my live stream. So guys, look at this. Are you seeing this? This is a 200 EMA and the indicator is going to push it down. So if this thing hits over here, might be your next short entry. If it breaks above it, you're out. So that's just the style that the team is also teaching and sharing in their group. It's very simple. You have to see it like this in trading. Over here is where you open up your short. You just don't care. This is if you don't care. If you don't care, you're not going to use the 5-minute invalidation. You're just going to, you know what? I'm just going in. I don't care. I just go in. I'm looking at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is at resistance, whatever. I'm just going in. And you place your damn stop loss over here just above it. If it breaks above it, then you're out. Or you can place your, if you want to do it, you say, no problem. I believe in myself. Put my stop loss over here. And then when this thing starts dumping down again, you're going to make sick money. And if it hits your stop loss, well, so be it. You risked a small amount to make a big amount. That's the whole stuff. Oh, by the way, this is TKO, not Tyco. This is Tyco, by the way, guys. This is Tyco. This is Tyco. This is Tyco. This was TKO, by the way, guys. I'm sorry. Tyco, this is Tyco. This is the one that the team has been shorting like crazy. And let me tell you this, guys. Are you seeing this? You know what I see over here? This is what I'm seeing over here. This is what I'm seeing over here. This is what I'm seeing. I'm seeing this. This is what I'm seeing over here. This is what I'm seeing over here. Guys, there is nothing over here. If this thing dumps down, this thing could dump so hard, guys, it will make you a lot of money. You know? Tyco, there's a lot of volume going on. Guys, if this thing dumps down over here, you gotta make a lot of money. There is nothing over here. Nothing. So there's no support. So this thing, only market makers could hold it up. But you know, this Tyco, if this thing dumps down, just keep an eye on it. Trade it on the Indie. That's all I have to say. Trade it on the Indie. What is the Indie showing us? What is it showing us? We're heading into, you see this scammy one? This is how those, this is stop loss hunting, what you're seeing over here. They just go stop loss hunting, boom. Okay, stop loss is down, then we go down. So over here, it's testing over here. So keep an eye on this Tyco. Storage, one of my favorite coins, guys. And you know, this thing is a bastard. You know why? You know, when I see it and I buy it, then it just goes sideways. But you know, when I'm busy, when I'm off the charts, this thing just goes and ramps up. I really hate this coin. I hate this storage coin. I hate it. I just hate it. It always ramps up when I'm off the charts. You know, I've got a small position. I got a small position. So don't worry. I catched it just like it shared you guys in the live stream. I shared you guys. I told you storage is showing power. There was a lot of volume on it, and there was also something else what made me even buy even more. Is the fact that the funding rates were super negative on this one. So this showed me that wheels are going to get paid to long this coin. Well, that gave me even more confident with the indicator together. Boom. So I made some money in storage. Storage is just my stop loss is set. So if it wants to go up more, well, fine. If it doesn't, well, my stop loss will probably get hit and I'll take my profit. So that's about storage. Keep an eye on storage, trade on the lower time frame. Because if, by the way, let me go back. By the way, storage is also very, very, very interesting for short. Because you have to see it like this. When those funding rates will start getting green again, storage will probably dump. Yes, Retail Firm, I'm here for you guys to show you guys how to make money. And you can thank me later. Later you can tell me, oh, wait a minute, MW, we were watching a live stream and we were observing and everything you said. And you know, then we went into the charts and then we were remembering what you were saying. We were checking the funding rates and we're checking this, that, and the indicator. And yeah, well, we just went in with a huge amount and we shorted the crap out of it and I made 10K. And then I get a DM, hey, MW, yeah, well, what's up? Yeah. You know what? I made 10K on a trade. And I did exactly as you said. It happened. Congrats. Thank you, MB. No, don't thank you. Don't thank me. It's all on you. You did it, not me. You did it. I'm just showing you how to do it. Okay, so let me go to the next one. This ARK thing. Oh my God, this ARK thing. I think the team, they traded this. I think, yeah, they longed this on the breakout. I think, yes. I think that the team longed this one. Yes, I think they longed this one. So ARK is showing a lot of volume, and this is, by the way, a very low cap coin. So I would say keep an eye on ARK. Keep an eye on ARK, guys. Keep an eye on ARK. ARK might give you that next move up. Use the indicator. Okay, next one. ETHFI. What the crap is ETHFI? ETHFI. A lot of volume going on over here, guys. I don't know. You tell me. ETHFI. I don't know what kind of coin this is. I don't know what this ETHFI is. I really don't care what it is, to be honest. I just don't give a crap where this is. It's just a sort of breaking out over here in the indie, and the 200 are helping it. So keep an eye on ETHFI. You can make some money in ETHFI. If you want to go up, you go up. I told you. And then over here, you see something like this. And then, oh, this is resistance, by the way, guys. Always look for the previous high if you want to find some resistance. Oh, I made some money. Oh, congrats. Thank you, MB. No, not thank me. Thank yourself. And thank the indicator. That's the most important part. Okay, this IQ is also showing a lot of power, guys. A lot of volume I'm seeing on this IQ. I don't know what this wormhole, whatever it's called. This IQ thing, I don't know. We broke above. Listen, beautiful. Above the indie. Back to the indie. Hold. Boom, up again. So keep an eye on this IQ. There's a lot of volume going on over here, guys. So I would focus on this thing if it retraces on the upside, for the upside. Let me go to the next one. DIA. What the crap? Oh my God. DIA. What is DIA doing? I really don't know what DIA is doing. Also small cap, I think this DIA thing, whatever it is, this DIA is showing some power. So just trade it on the lower time frames, indicator, and maybe this is one for a short. Because this is a pretty big bump, and we're reaching also this box over here of resistance. So this is some pretty big resistance over here. So maybe on the indicator, if this thing turns around, maybe some money made on DIA on the short term, on the short. So what is this? Oh yeah, this is that coin that we shorted from here. Yes, this is that coin. So we shorted on here. Well, it's showing volume. It's retesting over here the indicator. I don't know what's going on. Maybe they want to pump it up a bit to here. Possibly. So keep an eye on WLD, World Coin. There's a lot of volume going on. Guys, I think I've never ever did a list of coins like I did today, and I went through them, a little bit of TA, a little bit of education, a little bit of tips, a little bit of strategy, a little bit of everything. So I think you guys now go do your thing. I think this is the most important part, and I think that based on what I shared you guys, even I'm very busy having a lot of things, very important business things also going on, guys, these coming days. So it's not personal. It's really for the retail fam. It's what I've been telling you about. Something new is going to happen. The game trading crypto is going to grow. A lot of new tools, a lot of new things are going to happen to the retail fam, and especially to the ones that are with me always. Guys, you have to keep in mind that I know about everyone. My real retail fam that has been with me for like years, days, months, weeks. Don't think that I don't know you. I know you. I know all your names. And I remember them, and I know everyone. So guys, thank you very much. Let's see what I had. Let me see what Brolaf. I had a negative funding yesterday. Well, that explains it, Brolaf. But you know, the fact that you're writing this means, Brolaf, that you are getting educated. So what does it mean? What does it mean when DIA yesterday, because I didn't see it, but yesterday it had a -1 negative. There's a big probability that this will happen after it. So that's how I keep protecting you guys from getting wrecked. Because of DIA, when DIA already pumped like this, an average uneducated retailer, how he thinks in his mind is, DIA pumped a lot, let me go short it. And then what happens is, He doesn't use the indicator because the indicator also perfectly helped you over here. But, you know, when the negative funding rates are, you could probably expect another pump up and another one. Because why? These whales are getting paid to wreck the crap out of you. So that's what I'm educating you guys. And instead of shorting, when you see those negative numbers and you see the indicator also helping you, you go long with the wheel, swim with them. Don't go against them, because against them, they're much stronger. Be smart. Don't think that you can, wait a minute, you know, I've got like 50K and, you know, I'm going into a short and, you know, whatever, I've got a lot of money and, well, they cannot wreck me and this and that. They will wreck you, bro. These guys have billions. They will wreck you. Just don't. Don't think that you're Hercules or you're, I don't know, don't think that you, guys, these guys will destroy the crap out of you. Be smart. Use your brains. Use your brains. Don't use your power. Use your brains. And when you use your brains, you got to make a lot of money. So that's what, that was, I'm exhausted. I'm also exhausted there. Listen, guys, I had to do this. I had to do this for you guys. I had to make this vid for you guys because I know if I didn't do it now, I couldn't do it today, and also not tomorrow, also not the day after tomorrow. So I have to do it now. So I have to do it. I have to show you guys every time when there is something. Okay. Well, is there something else? Homework time, catch up. Okay. You can watch this vid just in slow down. I swear, MB was up 2 in the morning. Top like I swear, I never prepare a vid. It's maybe 1 or 2 times that I prepare a vid. That's because I have to share with you guys. When you see me sharing not only a chart, that's when I prepare them. I prepare them like half an hour before it. I do some homework and then I go in. For today, it was really nothing. It was just rub in it, and let's go. Okay, guys, I really love you. Bash is in the house. The moderator is in the house. How much? 50 likes. Well, it is what it is, Bash. You know, we ask them to push the like. If they don't want to push the like, what to do? Just let them be. I did my best to do this stream today. So it's just what it is. From Amsterdam coffee shop. Okay, guys, I love you all. For the ones that want this indicator. BITUNIX, Blofin, Weex, non-KYC, you can trade whatever. By the way, guys, the NordVPN, they have something new, they have something whatever. You can get very cheap, whatever, packages, whatever. There's a link in the description. NordVPN is pushing me. Please let them know that we'll have something for the emerald color indicator, whatever. There's a link below. If you want NordVPN, you know what to do. So Blofin, Weex, BITUNIX, trade there. You can get the indicator. By the way, because I'm very busy the coming days, I will be checking today the BITUNIX myself. So BITUNIX, Weex, Blofin. For the ones that are trading a volume on Blofin and Weex and BITUNIX, DM me today. For the ones that just open up an account, also DM me today. My X account link is in the description. DM me today. I will add everyone and I will also give everyone the MW indicator that has a right to get it. So I love you all. Have a nice one. Enjoy the weekend. Happy trading. And I think that you can all watch these coins that I just showed you because a lot of movement are going on. And if you don't see me updating very accurate like I used to the past days, forgive me. Know that I'm working hard on something much greater than just the trading for the coming days. I love you all. Have a nice one. Bye-bye.